Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, treatment of choice for phobic disorder is in phobic disorder, behavioral therapy is treatment of choice.
Psychotherapy. Psychotherapy can be done for schizophrenia. Benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines can be used for mania. In mania, along with lithium, you can use benzodiazepines. For behavioral therapy is used in phobic disorder. 5-hydroxytryptamine reuptake inhibitors. That is SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. These are mainly used in depression as antidepressants. So in phobic disorder, we use behavioral therapy is used.
Thank you and thank you for watching.